So guys, for the first step, you want to make sure the Epic Games Launcher is not running. So you want to click on the arrow and then find Epic Games Launcher and then right click on it and then click on exit. You could also head over to search and type in Task Manager, click on it. Now once you're on this, if you see Epic Games Launcher open, you want to click on it and then click on End Task. Now for the next step, you want to find the Epic Games Launcher shortcut, you want to right click on it and then click on Properties and then make sure that you're on the shortcut tab and then at the very end of the target, you want to put a space and then you want to copy and paste the command which I'll leave down below in the description, which is -http equals wininet and then click on OK. The problem should be fixed now, but if it's still not fixed, then you want to head over to search and type in %local app data %sign. Click on it. Now you want to scroll down and then click on Epic Games Launcher and then you want to delete the saved folder. Now you want to restart your computer, open up Epic Games Launcher again, and then the saved folder will appear again, and then the problem should be fixed. If it's still not working for the third method, you want to head over to search and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to scroll down, find Epic Games Launcher, click on the three dots and uninstall it. And then you just want to reinstall it again.